In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an 8D audio effect using Capcut. This tutorial will guide you through a creative process that, while doesn't use true 8D audio tools, gives you a way to simulate the immersive experience associated with it. Let's dive into it. To begin with, you'll want to open Capcut. Once you're in, tap on New Project. This is a great starting point as it will allow you to bring in the video that you want to work with. So go ahead and add your selected video to the project. This step sets the foundation for the rest of the process. Moving on, you'll need to focus on adding the right audio to your video. Tap on the audio option where you can add your music or sound. The right choice of audio is key because it's the main element we'll be manipulating to achieve that 8D effect. It could be a song, a soundscape, or any sound that you think will benefit from this unique audio effect. Once you have your audio track added, tap on it to select it. This will bring up more options for editing. Here, your next move is to tap on Edit and then choose Fade. Working with the fade options can create a rich auditory movement, making sounds gently enter and exit, which is crucial for crafting that head-turning 8D audio vibe. Now that you're editing fades, you want to use both the fade in and fade out functions alongside volume curves. These tools help you mimic sound movement, which is a signature element of the 8D experience. Imagine the music flowing around you, moving in a pattern, and adjust accordingly with these options for the best effect. Another essential aspect is utilizing keyframes. Keyframes allow you to shift the audio from the left to the right channel by adjusting the volume balance over time. This gives the impression that the sound is orbiting around you, a defining characteristic of 8D audio that captivates listeners. When you're happy with your adjustments and your simulated 8D audio is sounding just right, the final step is to export your project. By exporting it, you can share your creation or just enjoy it across your devices. It's worth mentioning that Capcut doesn't have dedicated 8D audio tools. What we did today is a creative workaround that simulates the 8D effect by manipulating fades, keyframes, and volume curves to create an immersive sound experience. This approach gives your audio a dynamic feel, closely resembling the captivating swirl of 8D audio. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to craft this audio illusion to enhance your projects. Keep experimenting and pushing the boundaries of your creativity.